KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. Today, a real nice one. This is my turkey meatball pasta salad. Yes, you heard that right. A great budget meal for any time of the year. First thing we're going to do, we're going to boil some eggs. I'm going to boil those for about 3.5 to 4 minutes. Once they've come up to the boil and they've boiled for that amount of time, we're going to take those off the heat, just like I'm doing right now. Rinse those under cold water for around about a minute, and I'm actually going to put those into the refrigerator and they will chill right down. So nice and cold water now. We've got rid of that. That goes in the refrigerator. Leave that until you need them. Here I've got 500 grams of ground turkey or turkey mince, and I'm putting in around about, let's say, 2 teaspoons, maybe a little bit more of beef bouillon powder, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder to taste. Okay, just giving you the rough idea. Freshly ground black pepper, of course. Get all that nice pepperness into these little meatballs. A little bit of mixed herbs. Use the mixed herbs of your choice. This one's actually got a little bit of chili flake in it. I really like it. And I'm going to add in a really good dose of some freshly grated pecorino cheese. You can use Parmesan if you like. The pecorino is a sheep's cheese, of course, and I just like the funkiness of it. Let's get all that mixed together like that. How easy is this so far? No need to put breadcrumbs in. The cheese is going to help these stick together. We want to make these nice little meatballs. We don't want them too big at all. So just roll those and get them nice and tight. Roll them in between your palms. Nice little tight meatballs like that. And we're simply just going to keep going. So we're now ready for our next stage of this salad. So I've got a fry pan out and I've got a nice big salad bowl there. First thing I've got is around about 3 rashers of bacon that I've just cut up into nice little chunks. We're just going to fry that off. Cook the bacon the way you want to. If you like it nice and hard and crunchy, go for it. If you like it soft, do that. Just get that fat rendered down. It's going to help with our next stage. Yep, that's done enough for me. I'm just going to put that straight into our salad bowl. Very, very simple. And if you haven't tried a meatball salad before, you don't know what you're missing. It's a really good way to just put a bit of protein into a salad. Right, in that same pan, we're just going to put those little turkey balls in. And I'm probably going to do these in 2 batches. 500 grams does go a long way. I'm going to cook them, give them a flip. It's going to take around about 5 minutes of cooking, maybe 6 minutes, but just check them. Just put them out on a bit of paper like that, and there's our first batch of meatballs. Now in the meantime, I've got some spiral pasta cooking actually in the microwave. Believe it or not, it's one of the few things I do cook in the microwave. Pasta is pretty much the only thing I really do cook in the microwave. Let's make a dressing. We're going to put in around about a third of a cup of store-bought mayonnaise, and here I've got some sour cream, equal amounts of each. That goes straight in, and this makes a great little dressing for any type of pasta or potato salad. Some chives, some extra pecorino cheese, that goes in. Save a little bit for the top, a little bit later on. Give that a bit of a stir through, and if it's a little bit thick, you can actually water that down with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, which I do a lot of the time, just like that, and it just gives you a nice sweetness to the whole thing. It makes a nice loose dressing as well. It'll coat all the pasta and all the meatballs. A little bit of liquor from the pasta water, of course, just put a little bit of that in. This is after our pasta has cooled down a little bit, and that's going to also help loosen this dressing right up. Let's give that a bit of a stir through like that. Okay, now it's time to start making this salad all up. Put your meatballs straight in with all that beautifully seared bacon, cooked off bacon. So add those meatballs, all of them, put them all straight in, and this will serve around about 4 people, believe it or not, depending on how hungry you are. It's always good to have a bit for lunch. Right, around about half a punnet of little cherry tomatoes. I've just cut those in half. They can go straight in like that. In goes our pasta. I've given that a quick little rinse off with a bit of cold water just to make sure it's all hunky and dory. Give that a bit of a toss around like that. And it's nice and colourful, this salad so far, isn't it? A little glug of extra virgin olive oil that goes straight over the top. It's going to give it a little bit more of an Italianness to it, or a bit of more Mediterranean-ness to it. So give those a good stir through. And now we can start adding in that beautiful creamy dressing that we just made. So just pour that straight over the top like I'm doing right there. How simple. And this is a great little snack too. If you can cover it, put it in the refrigerator, you can have it the next day for lunch or later on that afternoon. Simply, we're just going to serve that up into onto a plate or into a bowl. I'll leave that up to you. Right, now this does not look like the thumbnail yet, does it? So we've got our little secret ingredient that we have already started. I've already peeled my eggs, or shelled my eggs. I'm simply just going to cut those in half, and if you have a look, I've got the yolk absolutely perfect on these eggs. Tastes amazing. So I'm just going to cut these in half. Look at that beautiful creamy yolk. And that's going to add to the dressing that we've already got. It's going to give it that beautiful yolky flavour. Okay, and how good does that look? As you've probably picked up, it's sort of Caesar, it's sort of pasta, it's a turkey meatball pasta salad, basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like the video, hit the like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all of your friends, all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I love reading them. Meanwhile, if you want to learn how to make something nice and budget for summertime, just like this is, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit the subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this beautiful turkey meatball pasta salad, and I will catch you next time.